10 Volkswagen models that stood out from the best. For those Volkswagen enthusiasts, you were probably relieved to see that the German automobile manufacturer is back in the game. It would really be a shame if their almost 80 years of dominance would just suffer the same fate of GM and Toyota when they have been aiming for the top. This list would be a celebration for their long years in business and a proof of their excellence throughout the years. Volkswagen Beetle 1967-1977. For a first-time driver, this model can be considered the best and the worst car for you due to its tough and harsh grinding gears when shifting gears. But you still get to feel like you are going fast despite the setback. Volkswagen Rabbit 1974-1984. Considering that every hatchback that you can see now is inspired by this minimalist indispensable family car and the long years that its worldwide version roared, you may want to raise your hope a little higher for its new factory. Volkswagen GTI 1977-1984. If you are a fan of this one, looking for a used first-generation model may be a little challenging. Because sales did not start until the early 1980s, but imagining driving a horsepower engine of 105 for a light car can really give you a little inspiration to keep on looking. Volkswagen Golf MK6 2010 current. The Golf should be your best bet compared to a Jetta if you are considering to buy a hatchback. The revival of its classic styling on the original Golf is an enough reason for you to do so. Volkswagen Jetta MK4 1998-2005. The way its superior interior was built and the reason why this model made such a huge name then despite the issues it had to deal with, mechanically speaking. Volkswagen Microbus 1950-1967. Realizing the value of the old microbus, VW, apparently is planning to launch a smaller version of this widely popular family minivan in the near future. Volkswagen Vanagon 1979-1992. Despite the rumors that circulated regarding this one being a replacement for the much better microbus, this model is still worth to grace your garage. But you have to prepare your pocket for this highly collectible model. Volkswagen Passat 2002-2007. The impeccable interior and sturdy mechanical engineering is worth the praise it received from Ferdinand Piëch, saying that it is the most perfect Volkswagen ever built. Let's just hope that the new version of this model will still embody that statement. Volkswagen GT MK6 2010 current. An Audi will look like less valuable beside this 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that can go with either 6-speed manual or 6-speed doubly clutch automatic model. Volkswagen Jetta Sportwagen TDI 2009 current. You will be glad this model was conceived if you fancy fuel efficient, roomy 2.0-liter 140 horsepower 236 pounds-feet of torque turbocharged diesel engine and 6-speed manual ride. People who bought the 75% of this thought so too. Thank you for watching.